Best deals. 1. Bailin. Premier quality tool designed for ease of use and hold. Equipped with bearings to ensure smooth movement. Smooth action easily rolls out pie crusts, dough for bread, biscuits. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dokla Maker. Cool Touch Bakelite handles for safe handling equipped with durable heat-resistant Bakelite side handles for a secure, cool touch grip. Easily lift, carry, or open the pot even when hot without any cloth needed. Effortless plate removal comes with a premium lifter tool to safely lift hot plates. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Paneer Maker. Perfectly sized at 500 milliliters, this round paneer press is ideal for small to medium families to make fresh paneer at home without any hassle or mess. It's crafted from durable steel material. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Container. A stylish and ergonomic belly shape adds both elegance and ease of handling. Matte finish gives a modern and sophisticated look, perfect for contemporary kitchens. Ideal for storing snacks, dry fruits, pulses, grains, spices, or general household items. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Storage rack. Coated with multi-layer chrome plating that ensure rust-free life of the product. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Butter container. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this container ensures the longevity and freshness of your butter by protecting it from external elements while adding an elegant touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Coconut grater. Features razor-sharp, strong teeth for effortless coconut scraping, ensuring durability. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dough press mold. Comes in various sizes and designs that is strong. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Grinding machine. Ensures consistent and precise performance every time. The corrosion-resistant blades maintain their sharpness over time. These high-quality blades provide clean, even results. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Rice drainer. The smooth surface and compact design of the rice pot with strainer lid make it easy to clean and store, saving your time and space in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Flour sifter. Has a capacity of 4 cups, the flour does not overflow out of the cup, and the double-layer rotating mesh is used to fully disperse the flour, and the filter is more gentle. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Colander. Made of 100% high-quality stainless steel, won't rust, corrode, bend or warp, good used for many years. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tadka pan. Constructed with 3 layers for enhanced durability, consistent heat distribution, and rust-resistant performance, this tadka pan is built to last. The durable triple-layered coating offers a naturally non-stick surface that's metal spoon-friendly and scratch-resistant. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Fry pot. Perfect for deep frying, steaming, and cooking soups, noodles, or pasta, this pot meets all your versatile cooking needs. Includes a convenient steam plate, enabling you to steam vegetables, dumplings, or seafood effortlessly while cooking other dishes. Features a detachable deep fryer with a draining board, making it ideal for oil-free, healthier frying of French fries. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Soap holder. Tray is made up of stainless steel and has high load-bearing capacity. The bottom hole design of this soap keeper organizer allows water to drain quickly and helps keep soap dry and clean. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ladle. Made from high-quality stainless steel for durability and corrosion-free performance. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Peeler. Made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel that stays sharp, washes clean, and doesn't release harmful substances. Thoughtfully curved body ensures safe hand clearance while peeling. Comfortable for both left and right-handed users and easy to control, even with wet hands. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tea infuser. Whether you prefer hot or cold tea, this infuser is designed to cater to your preferences. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Trivets. Lightweight and easy to store, making it a practical addition to any kitchen space. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Mold. Premium food-grade aluminum ensures durability, rust resistance, and even heat distribution for consistent baking. Molds heart and round shape perfect for baking different cake styles for various occasions. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cupcakes mold. For idly and baking is made with high quality and durable stainless steel material. The material of this mold is rust-free and does not tarnish with passage of time. Ideal choice for baking cupcakes, muffins, ice and cottage pies. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Coconut scraper. Features rotatable blades. These blades are sharp enough to easily scrape off the fleshy inside whites of a coconut. The handle is rotatable 360 degrees. Just get a firm grip of it and rotate it with a gentle force to get the function going. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Kadai. Featuring an advanced honeycomb design, this kadai offers a naturally non-stick surface, making cooking easier and reducing the need for excess oil. Designed with durability, this kadai features a robust cooking surface that is resistant to scratches and wear. Crafted from premium food-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Oil container. A perfect multi-purpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, etc. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. The compact size of this ghee pot makes it easy to store and leak and drip proof to make your cooking experience enjoyable. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Measuring set. Permanent engraved measurements won't fade or rub off in long-term usage. Equipped with detachable clip rings to keep them secure. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cream dispenser. Constructed with high-quality aluminum to prevent wear and tear, highly resistant to rust, crack, stain, corrosion compared to other cream dispensers. Robust and durable, you can use it permanently and for a long time, used for making delicious mousses, coconut whipped creams, desserts, ice cream, chocolate, cakes, nitro coffee, waffles, sauces, pies. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Chopping board. The rectangular shape offers a stylish, contemporary look while ensuring a comfortable grip, making chopping effortless. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials, this chopper guarantees safe, toxin-free food preparation for your family. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Coconut breaker. Made using quality-grade solid steel to ensure durability of use for a long time. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Washer strainer. Crafted from thickened, corrosion-resistant stainless steel that's durable, safe for food contact, and built to last through daily kitchen use. Evenly spaced. Perforations on the side allow quick water flow while keeping rice, grains, and fruits safely inside the bowl. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Kulfi mold. Washable and reusable molds. Hand wash in hot soapy water, designed to make drip-free kulfi and give a clean and mess-free experience. Using this kulfi mold will keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips and will be successful in satisfying your late-night dessert cravings. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Egg whisk. Made from sturdy stainless steel, hollow handle, constructed for durability, made of high-quality durable stainless steel and use highly polished processing method to bring the dual rust resistance protection of stainless steel. Ergonomically designed for excellent balance and control for a difference you can really feel in the hand. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Metal ice cubes. Designed for endless use. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Cylinder trolley. Loaded with gas cylinder is easy to use. You can effortlessly push, pull or move it in any direction. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Container. Stainless steel drum with floral design finished, made up of heavy grade steel and leak proof, can be used to store bulky things at a place. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Strainer pot. With lid is made of high quality stainless steel and has been certified by the NABL laboratory. Pot is designed for your comfort. Its stainless steel strainer lid helps in easy draining of water from rice, noodles or pasta. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Chopping board. Features a built-in high-precision stainless steel cutter that allows you to slice vegetables, fruits, and nuts quickly, safely, and effortlessly. Crafted from rust-resistant, antibacterial steel for superior durability and safe, long-lasting daily kitchen use. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Straws. Blend seamlessly with table decor and are great for traveling as well as parties. You can enjoy your smoothie, bubble tea, juice, anywhere with ease. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Container. Perfect for storing and serving milk, water, juices, snacks, cooked food, dry fruits, sweets, and more. A truly versatile solution for daily kitchen needs. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Idli maker. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Towel ring. Crafted from stainless steel with a chrome finish, this towel ring is resistant to moisture and daily wear. It has sturdy structure. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Sink strainer. Features a fine mesh to catch food particles, preventing clogs and maintaining smooth water flow. Designed to sit snugly in the sink drain, offering reliable performance and preventing shifting. Simple to remove, clean, and reinstall, ensuring hassle-free upkeep and hygiene. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Tap extension. 2 flow modes, rain mode and foam mode to switch between a standard flow and a reduced flow in the kitchen. Flexible 6-inch neck, for easy and convenient washing. Saves up to 50% water without compromising on functionality. Product link is given in the 43rd link. 44. Shelf. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 44th link. 45. Egg boiler. Equipped with steam egg plate for boiling 8 eggs at a time or steaming vegetables, meat or fish, non-stick heating plate to make instant noodles, scrambled eggs. It has a boil dry protection that cuts off the supply once the water is finished, Product link is given in the 45th link. 46. Masher. Can be used to grind garlic, nuts, pills, a great, modern design that will look great in any kitchen or pharmacy. Mortar and mortar are made of food-grade stainless steel. It not only resists rust but also resists damage and corrosion of acidic foods. Product link is given in the 46th link. 47. Puri press. Made from high-quality stainless steel for durability and corrosion resistance. Product link is given in the 47th link. 48. Lemon squeezer. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel, this lemon squeezer is rust-resistant and long-lasting, ideal for everyday kitchen use. Perfect as a lemon juicer, lime squeezer, orange squeezer, A complete tool for natural juice lovers, ergonomic handle ensures effortless squeezing. Product link is given in the 48th link. 49. Cutlery holder. Beautiful looking cutlery holder which helps to keep spoons, forks, knives at one place. Product link is given in the 49th link. 50. Organizer rack. This 3-tier kitchen organizer rack is designed for storing spice jars, oil bottles, and kitchen essentials, maximizing countertop space. Made from high-quality steel, this kitchen storage rack is rust-proof, durable, and strong enough to hold heavy bottles. Features hooks for ladles, spoons, and utensils, ensuring easy access to essentials. Ideal for small kitchens, countertops, cabinets, and pantry storage, making it a versatile kitchen rack stand steel. Product link is given in the 50th link. 51. Puttu maker. Specially crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. Made from premium grade stainless steel, this maker is rust resistant, durable, and hygienic. Product link is given in the 51st link. 52. Milk boiler. Crafted from high quality, corrosion resistant stainless steel, ensuring long lasting durability, easy cleaning, and a rust-free experience for years. Features advanced double-wall insulation for faster heating, enhanced heat retention, and a cool-to-the-touch exterior. Product link is given in the 52nd link. 53. Hamburger press. Constructed with heavy-duty 304 food-grade stainless steel, which is durable for long-term use. This kitchen tool makes 4.2 inches hamburger patties. You can add different amounts of meat for different thicknesses of burgers. Product link is given in the 53rd link.